teenagers who we met today were the ones who actually expressed their wish for parents to communicate. And it was the children, the teenagers who were here, who said communication is a two-way process. It's never a one-way process. They also need to be heard.
I suffered from depression for 2 years. Babeng pressure shooting and ngingazifuni futhi ngingazikahluthi zero. Ngisupporta point yamalwandle peer pressure inzima kakhulu and abanye abantu abakwazi ukuyi-withstand ukuthi abakwazi ukuthi bayivimbe bathi no, kunzima ukuthi no because uyazi ukuthi labantu laba bazokushiya futhi yabo mina ngumuntu ongekho social kakhulu so labangani laba engabenza kwakulula kodwa kwakunzima ukubenza. So mina peer pressure yacisha I was very suicidal ngaleso sikhathi ngasengifuna ukubulala. Abangani bami bathi bazongishiya ukuthi bangasaba abangani bami ngaleso sikhathi so ngagcina ngavumanga kodwa babengipressurisha kakhulu ukuthi ngisenze lezi zinto lezi kodwa mina ngathi angifuni. So peer pressure ingayenza umuntu afuna ukuzenza izinto engafuni and futhi khona abanye abantu abazi bathi ngizozibulala because lento le ibuhlungu futhi awukwazi ukuyivimba yena ukuthi masiyenze izonzeka. Peer pressure inkinga enkulu. Peer pressure it's amongst ingane eziningi. Peer pressure ingamlimaza umuntu engqondweni, physically, emotionally. Nasesikoleni ngangasenzi kahle. Ngazabona mse uthisha. Peer pressure yangimaza kakhulu. Peer pressure abazali abaningi abakwazi ukutshela ingane zabo ukuthi abangani bakho khetha abangani bakho because abangani bakho they make or break you. Abangani bami sengithola abangani abasha because laba abanye bangiphatha kahle. Peer pressure it's a very big topic that abantu abaningi abakwazi ukukhuluma ngayo because khona nabasebedlulile kuyona kodwa abangatshela umuntu and abanye abakwazi ukutshela ukuthi I suffered from this and bangiyona because bacathi bazothi abanye abantu you are too emotional, uyakwazi ukuhlulwa yinto kalula and peer pressure iyabalimaza abantu. Njengoba uMalanda shilo self-image, self-esteem izinto ezenza ukuthi umuntu athole kalula peer pressure, afeel attacked and abanye bazibulale because peer pressure. Peer pressure it's a very big topic that abantu abaningi we should talk about it but asikhulumi ngayo because bathi you are emotional, you break down easily. Thank you.